Why does your scanner show the P0617 engine code? What does it mean? P0617 is a diagnostic trouble code for starter relay circuit high. This error code indicates the starter relay circuit high, that your vehicle's main computer, PCM or ECM, has detected abnormally high voltage or an electrical short on the control line that activates your starter motor. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Engine no start. Rapid clicking noise. Intermittent starting. Check engine light. Park or neutral safety switch. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Honda, Acura, Toyota, Lexus, Jeep, and Chrysler. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.